In this video, learn how to add an hours of operations indicator to your schedule in the EventPilot conference app. In the app, the schedule or calendar view gives attendees an easy way to view the schedule at a glance. Hours of operations indicators are special blocks that you can add to this view to give an at-a-glance view of day-long event aspects like registration hours or expo hall hours. In the app builder, go to Agenda and Visual Schedule to get started. The Visual Schedule view automatically generates time blocks out of your agenda data. If you wish to make your own time blocks for your agenda data, toggle Auto Generate to Off. You can also choose how many columns you want for the blocks. Suppose we want to indicate how long registration will be open during the event but don't want to create it as a session in our agenda data. Click Add Hours of Operations Indicator to add a new indicator. Give your indicator a label. You can also give your indicator a short subtitle for additional information or a location. If you add a location, ensure that the location is mapped in your floor plans. This makes the Hours of Operations indicator interactive in the app, dropping a pin to its spot on the map. Choose what time the hours start and set an end time. Click the box and use the color picker to assign a specific color to the indicator. Repeat these steps to add another indicator, perhaps for your expo hall hours. Each page in the schedule view can have up to 2 hours of operations indicators. We don't have expo hall hours for the next day, so we have added poster hall hours instead. Use the X button to remove an indicator, and use the handle icon to adjust its position. Be sure to publish so your changes appear in the app. Now your users can quickly glance at the registration and expo hall hours and find right where they are at the event.